everybody, it's Mrs. Ross and
William.
And we are here today to further explore some chemical reactions. So in a previous video we did some chemical reaction experiments in our Hogwarts video, which we'll link in the description down below. So we're going to explore that a little bit more about what happens when you take an acid and a base and you mix them together. In this case we're using two different acids but the same base. So our acids today are vinegar, which is in the measuring cup, and lemon juice because it's very acidic. And the base that we're using for both things is baking soda. So we are going to create some fruit volcanoes today because who doesn't like a volcano? Everybody likes volcanoes. So we're actually going to compare the reactions and see what we think about which one has sort of the stronger reaction. So with the lemon, so a little pro tip to get it to stand up, we cut the bottom off a little bit so that it will stand up in the pan. And then we took a knife and we kind of went around it a few times to loosen up the juices a little bit because you want to have those available so that they can actually react with the baking soda. So William, I'm going to get you to put a tablespoon on here and then sort of mix it in a little bit as best you can. Okay, so what do you notice happening?
What's going on?
It's bubbling, right?
What do you want me to do? Just
bang the spoon at maybe the end of the spoon, like dig it in a little bit.
Like that?
Yeah.
It's not really a volcano yet.
Not really, eh?
Not really. It just kind of went
So
out.
as William is digging into this, it's activating the lemon juice a little bit more and it's getting a little more bubbly as we go. So what do you think it will do if we just leave it for a few minutes, William?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Okay.
Could go higher. I don't expect it to go. Ah, scary. Cup a little more on? No.
Yeah. So what do you think? Is it still going?
Yeah, but not by much.
Yeah, not by much. Okay.
Again, amazing.
So you probably can't see this in the video, but as William digs the spoon in and a little bit more lemon juice gets pushed up, it mixes with the baking soda. So it is making lots of bubbles.
It's not really like a volcano.
Not really like a volcano. Okay. So what if you take some baking soda and put it in our apple? So we're going to actually let this sit for a little bit.
We'll see. I expected it to go higher.
Okay.
I don't know if that... Would you count that as a good attempt or failed attempt?
No, I think it's... I mean, you got the chemical reaction.
Yeah, but if you're looking for a volcano...
If you're looking for explosive volcanoes,
that's all I was
maybe
looking
not.
for.
Okay.
I got signed up for the wrong thing.
Okay, he signed up for the wrong class.
But hopefully this one actually could work.
Okay.
So how much do I put in? Fill it up?
Probably like that much. Well, maybe a little bit more because it's stuck to the spoon. Okay.
More?
You think that's good? Do you want a little bit
A
more?
little bit more.
Okay.
That was like nothing.
Okay. So remember the baking soda is our base. So lemon juice was the acid here. So this time we're going to add vinegar as our acid. So let's see if we get a reaction to this
All
one,
of it?
William. Well, we'll just
Like
keep
dump it
going until
slowly?
it goes slowly. Yeah.
See, that was a bit better.
That was a bit better.
Oh, wait.
Okay. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, yeah. Keep going.
He's putting the mad and mad scientist. So, which one was the more dramatic explosion, William?
Definitely the apple.
The apple.
Bite a little bit. Or you can feel the bubbles, like kind of.
Can you feel them? Yeah.
Whoa.
Do you remember what the bubbles are that are being released? Do you remember what gas that is?
No.
It's carbon dioxide.
I probably knew that.
Yeah. Okay, so we do have one more fruit volcano.
That's gonna be my favorite one.
Okay, so we're gonna pause our video for a minute, get ready, because we need some space for our next one.
Watermelon time!
We will be back in a minute. Okay, so we tried volcanoes with tiny fruits, and now we've moved on to the big fruits.
Big fruit.
The big fruit. So we have hollowed out a watermelon. We're going to insert a picture here to show you what the watermelon looks like from the inside. And William is going to pour his base in first. So he's going to put the baking soda in. So do you want to pour that in, William? All right. And then what do you think? Should we film from here, or should I bring the camera over closer?
You want to put it like, take the camera and put it maybe on top? You think that would be nice?
Ooh, okay. All right. Is it going?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can see the baking soda inside. So, all right, William, when you are ready, let's see what's gonna happen.
Whoa.
Here it goes. Keep going, keep going. Whoa!
Whoa, my. That was way better than the apple.
That was, there you go. That was way better than the apple. All right, that was a pretty good chemical reaction, wasn't it?
It was pretty okay, yeah.
It was pretty okay. Those were some pretty cool fruit volcanoes, but we do have one more reaction for you to see. So we are going to try to inflate a balloon with this same combination of vinegar and baking soda. So remember that vinegar is our acid, baking soda is our base. When we happen to put these two together, they combine, and the chemical reaction produces carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide comes out in the form of bubbles here. We can actually see it, because it's not always easy to see those gases. And we're actually going to see it in action a little bit more in our last experiment of the day. So let's get going on the next one. Okay, so now that we have seen all of these fruit volcanoes go off, we thought we might try the same mixture one more time and see if we could use it for a different purpose. So we talked about in our Harry Potter COVID shenanigans video, we talked about sugar eating yeast blowing up a balloon, and we watched that happen. So we're gonna see if we can find another way to blow up a balloon by harnessing a chemical reaction. So we have vinegar in this bottle. We're going to use the same thing we've used for all of these today. So, and we have baking soda in this little dish. So William is going to dump the baking soda into the funnel. Okay. So we're going to funnel that in. So it's going into our balloon. It's probably enough. Okay. So we're going to see what might happen now. What do you think's going to happen, William?
It could blow up.
Could blow up?
I don't know though.
Okay.
The last one did, and I didn't expect it to.
The last one was a surprise. Woo! Just about had a face full of baking soda.
I did.
Okay.
That was right on me.
So at this point, we haven't done anything, right? So do you want to lift this up so that the baking soda can actually go in with the vinegar? Hold it up.
Whoa! Whoa! I did not expect that. Do you want to keep holding it?
He did not expect that. I'll hold the bottom so it doesn't blow up. How cool is that? So William, what's the faster way to get the balloon blown up? With baking soda and vinegar, or with yeast and sugar and water?
I believe this method.
This was
a little quicker.
faster. Because do you remember how long we left it?
But look, the other one, it stayed up. This one doesn't.
Oh, okay. So if you let it go. Oh, interesting. Oh, because there's still, you know what? There's still some baking soda in there.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, do you see it? It might not come out. It might have gotten wet when everything came back up. Okay.
I want to do that again.
That's okay. Well, we're gonna go do this again because it's super fun, and you know you should try this at home. So when you're done making your volcanoes, if you have extra vinegar and baking soda left,
There's some right there.
blow up some balloons.
Yeah.
All right. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.